I'm Mitz, and this is the Mictuning 6-gang auxiliary switch unboxing and install. Lay everything out, make sure you have what you need. I'll show you what's in the box really quickly. We have zip ties, the wire tap, they provided a screwdriver, mounting options, adhesive pad, main control box, fuse, remote, mounting bracket, main aux panel, multiple stickers for the aux panel buttons, the instructions, antenna, positive and negative cables, accessories on switch, hardware, and everything was packaged really well. Everything is very solid and all of it feels really sturdy. So now it's time to jump into the instructions and get this project moving. Assembling the mounting bracket for the actual switch panel. The first piece fits right in the channel. The two provided small screws will fit right in the hole and tighten those up. Next, you'll take the bracket, grab the provided hardware that has the hex head, hand tighten to start. You can use the provided wrench and tighten those up. And that is the mounting bracket for the auxiliary panel. Step 2, we're going to work with the control box itself. So you'll be taking the control box, placing it face down. The bracket, which is included, fits right over the top and the holes should line up. From there, you're going to use the larger Phillips head screw with the washer and the nut. And we're going to feed those through. So the washer and the nut are on the back side. And for this, you can use a 10mm and the Phillips head, and that'll snug those two up. That is the mounting bracket for the actual panel that'll sit under the hood. You definitely want to disconnect your battery. It's one less thing you have to worry about. As I'm working with the mount, what I would not do is mount this to the bracket just yet. I would actually fish the wires through and get them in their spots, tighten them down, and then take the bracket off and put the side bolts in to hold this down. If not, you're going to have a really difficult time getting your wires into the receiving end. I have successfully passed the wire through the firewall from the cab. Now on the Jeeps, there's a channel right underneath this lip here that you can work the cable all the way across and keep it protected. So I typically fish it underneath the metal brackets all the way across. I'll go to that side, do the same, and then I will use the zip ties either provided or the ones I have to really make sure they're tight. They're not going to rub and they're not going to chafe. You want to make sure that they are in securely. Now with all the wires centrally located right here, I can start to attach them to the panel and we're going to get it mounted up. You have your wires installed, you have everything set. Next, this is when I am going to mount my bracket to the panel and then mount the bracket and the panel to the Jeep. This ends up leaving this mounting hole and this mounting hole, one for the factory and the other you can use a self-tapping screw they provide. I'm wiring the accessories. You want to go from underneath, feed them through, positive to positive, negative to negative. Keep them tight. Once you connect them, give them a little tug, make sure they're secure. Now that I have my accessories wired in, it's time to connect the battery, connect the accessory power, and mount it permanently. The wires come in through the open channel here, and then I just used a little rubbing alcohol and the double-sided tape to stick it right there. And as I replace the cap, you'll see that it's concealed and nicely tucked away. Now, before you put the cover on, you have a few decisions to make. There is a switch inside which is explained in the directions, and it's regarding your battery constant on or accessory on. I have my switch on battery on for demonstration purposes, and if I go to number 5, you can see that my LEDs in back have lit up. I can turn them off. If I go to 4, you can see just behind my hood, my A-pillar light is kicking on and off. We're going to button it up, and the panel that is inside is the last piece. I mounted the panel just below my lights, 2 screws. The panel actually will sit right here, very nice. I just have to tighten it up. I took off the panel that's under my steering wheel to run the cable up and behind so it's not dangling, and it goes right out to the compartment and over to the other side. So this is where I chose to mount mine, but get creative. You can put it up top, you can put it down below, you can put it in the center console. That was the install of the P8Y Mictuning 6-gang auxiliary switch. The kit comes with everything you need. Take your time, step through it, you'll have no problem completing this install. One of the features I did not show you, which I love, is the remote. It's magnetic. Stick it anywhere. The only thing I have left to do is just apply some stickers for my lights on the panel, and I'm done. So thanks for watching. It's Mitz. This is Mictuning 6-gang auxiliary install.